Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to talk about doing some adjustments on your cabinet doors. This is particular to any kind of cabinet that is side by side that could have a gap in between them where they're touching. Over time, doors will wiggle, hinges will move. Just simple opening and closing will take a little stress on the hinge. Basic things that you can do with it: book, piece of paper that's thick. You're going to open up your doors, put the paper in between them, close them together. Let that sit for a little while, open them up and then test it again. If you try this trick and it doesn't stop it from rubbing, maybe get a thicker book, try the same thing. Worst case scenario, you can always move the hinges back just slightly. Remember that if you do move the hinges, you also might have to adjust the catches. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.